Oh, God damn it. Let me just do this. Come on, Wayne. I gotta hit this. I'm fine. So the history on this, it's a 1987. This was back when Honda was, you know, getting away from the three-wheelers, getting into the four-wheelers. They made the legendary 250R, two-stroke, but the four-strokes back then, they were built like utility quads, and, you know, putt-putt around the farm, drive through trails, try and hit a jump, you might die, and you just weren't as cool as your friends on a 250R. So they designed this. This was the true first platform of a four-stroke sporty sport quad. And you were like, oh snap, I can buy that, not have to work on it every other weekend and still be like almost as cool as my two-stroke friends. I'm so in. And that's what my dad did in 1987. The plan with this bike is we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna try and fix, it's got some cracks in the plastics. We're gonna fix them up. Try out a little bit of plastic welding, see how that goes. The seat cover is a little ripped. It does have a flat. I know all of the bushings and bearings are just garbage. And that's right, I said garbage. The rear shock is blown out. And it just needs a lot of love. It's not running right now because the gas tank is so rusty, it is actually flaking apart. And there is no way I'm running gas through that. The carburetor already needs to be rebuilt or replaced. And then we can maybe get it running. The front end is so janky and just, I mean, listen to it. I mean, listen to this custom suspension. You're gonna scare away the deer. And everything is just loose. Everything is just so beat up, worn out, and tired. Here, I'm gonna go through some of these repairs, let you see what we got going on. Getting parts for this bike is not that difficult, even though it's 35 years old, but a lot of the parts from the 300EX blend onto this bike, and they made the 300X for quite some years. So let me show you what's really going on here. So just looking in the gas tank, you can see I have a lot of oxidation, rust. I've looked in this gas tank already and it's scary. So here's the tank. It's pretty tough to show you, but it is rusty and flaky, and you know, I've seen videos where you can kind of restore it, but if you could really see this, you would see there is literally chunks of rusted metal in there. I mean, look at this. Got the stock air lid. Uh-oh. This whole thing is literally crumbling in my hands. I mean, that is just awesome. I mean, I heard if you have one like this, like, it's like, makes you faster. I mean, this might even be worth money. I'll have to look that up. It's really just gonna get all the plastics off. Custom fender mount. Some of this dirt's probably 35 years old. But if we get down here, you see the choke. The choke is trashed. I mean, that's not even spinning anything. I mean, you could just see how rusted and old. I mean, it smells like varnish. This carb is just atrocious. I mean, I don't know if it's worth rebuilding. I mean, we'll take it apart just for giggles, but I don't know. We'll go from there. So here's the rest of the air filter, that custom air filter for the extra horsepower. There you go. Put the glove on there, get some of the water out. When I washed it, let's get this carb off and see what's going on.